Remember whispers from the Psalms. Your help comes from the skies. The mountains stand, yet greater still is He who made them strive. He guards your steps both night and day. To Him you still belong. No arrow flies without His sight.